Happy Thursday, y'all. Welcome to another episode of Sprint TV, where we give you tips and tricks to help you navigate the digital world. My name's Rob, and I am not a Cartesian dualist. If you haven't done so already, please do close the live chat, like, and subscribe so you get the latest from our channel on your feed. And today we're going to talk about gift cards, all things gift cards, and the importance of an omni-channel ability to offer gift cards to your customers and how you can do that with Run Free and some considerations along the line. So here's the deal. Let's do a little bit of a background here. At Run Free, we firmly believe that your online presence is your second most important asset behind your brick and mortar store. The reason for that is because 97% of all consumers learn about your existence by looking online. That initial impression is going to inform what they do next. If you're a hard to find store in a Google search, or if your website feels old or uncared for, if your e-commerce site's slow or it's not mobile friendly, they're going to go somewhere else. All of that because of your online presence. It is that powerful. 97% of consumers. Now, a lot of folks in the run specialty space focus on the percentage of revenue that comes from e-commerce sales versus total sales and value their online presence based on that. We believe that that is a mistake. Your in-store sales also begin online. We know that. In fact, 76% of people who conduct a local search, that means they search for running store near me, set foot in a physical store within 24 hours. 7% of those shop online. In other words, your e-commerce store is as much a browsing area as it is a place for actual transactions. And if you only look at the transactions part as the value, you're missing the majority of what you're bringing in because people are setting foot in the store. And you should be treating the digital side of your brand with the same care that you give to your physical presence, because these numbers aren't going down. They're rising. More people are looking online. Everybody relies on Google or whatever the latest search engine is going to be to tell them where they should go and who's around. I mean, think about it. When I'm looking for a place to eat and I want to, get creative, where's the first place that I go? Well, it's going to be Google. Local searches. Same thing goes for running shoes and just about anything else. So very important that we take that seriously. Let's talk about a couple other things that make an online presence good from the customer's view. Aside from what I just mentioned, the consistent experience is at the very top of the list. For example, gift cards. If Jim here buys a gift card at your running store, he should immediately be able to use that gift card in your online store or your mobile app. The fancy word for this is omni-channel. Each arrow here represents a channel, and omni is just Latin for many, so many channels. Get it? And Jim also should be able to flip-flop any of these and not have to worry about an incompatible channel. So how would that work? And I apologize, guys. I keep looking at myself when I know I should be looking at the camera. So I need to get better about that, but there's so many windows here. So how would that work? So let me show you how we solve the problem at Run Free. On the screen here, you can see your brick and mortar store, and inside you can see your point of sale system in all of its transaction-based glory. Now, if you're a Run Free project member, the Run Free platform's connected to that point of sale system, and the two of them send information back and forth on a constant basis. This includes orders, updates to inventory back and forth, and even gift card data. Your e-commerce stores live on the Run Free platform as well. So when Jim visits your e-com store and buys, let's say, $100 gift card for himself or somebody else, the moment that he pays, The Run Free platform reaches out to your point of sale system and creates the gift card in there, then sends an email to old Jim here with the barcode and whatever gift card number the point of sale assigned, aka created. Now, if Jim comes back a few days later and decides that he wants to use $50 from his gift card on your mobile app, which is also managed on and connected to the Run Free platform, when he enters the card, the app asks the platform if it's legit and what the balance is. Run Free is then going to reach out to your point of sale system and ask it the same question. Since the e-com site created the card in the point of sale system, it acts as the single source of truth regardless of channel. So your point of sale system tells Run Free that the card's legit, that Jim has $100 available, and then Run Free sends that info to the app on Jim's phone, and Jim can make his purchase. All that happens in milliseconds and is totally automatic. You don't have to do anything. It just works. Now, I'm sure you saw this next part coming, but since we use the point of sale system as the single source of truth, when Jim comes back into your brick and mortar store and decides to use the balance of that gift card that he purchased online, all he has to do is show you the email or his app where you can scan the UPC just like you're scanning a physical gift card that you issued in store in the traditional method. Your POS is going to tell you Jim has $50 left on his card, and when he decides to use that final balance, it's recorded in the point of sale system. So it's all completely seamless to you and Jim. And since everything in your digital world is connected to your point of sale system through Run Free Project, you don't have to update that information anywhere. So if Jim goes out to his car and tries to use that same card online, the platform would reach out to the point of sale system and ask for the balance of that card. It would say 0 because he just used it in the point of sale system at your place of business, and we'd remind him of that fact. All automatically with 0 human intervention required. Pretty cool, right? So there are a couple of other tricks if you're a Run Free store that you can play around with, and I wanted to show you one today that's relatively popular. It's very popular during the holiday season. Let me move a couple of things around here. Very popular during the holiday season, and that is offering physical gift card alternatives. And so if, let's say, stocking stuffer or a gift, I really want to go and buy a physical gift card so that, the recipient can see that. How do I set that up on the Run Free side? Well, today, the way it works is that you simply click on gift cards and you go and you create a virtual gift card. So I can enter in any amount that I want to here. My name goes in here, and then recipient information, leave a note, hit add to cart, I buy it. The platform sends an email to the recipient, and then they have a virtual gift card that they can use in store or online. Bada bing, bada boom. But as I mentioned before, if I wanted to use a physical gift card, if I wanted to buy a physical gift card instead, how do I do that? Well, let me show you. The first thing that you would do is you would go to your Run Free dashboard, and you'd go up here to settings. So on the right hand side, you can see it highlighted in red, and you'd open up the digital gift cards page. So on this page, this is where you set things up from a digital gift cards perspective. You would make sure that allow dynamic gift card sales is toggled to on here, and we would be good. So we're going to use this gift card description field down here to point people to the physical gift cards. Now, let me jump over here to Red Coyote real quick, one of our stores. There we go. And show you how to prepare to do this. So you can see here that Red Coyote offers physical gift cards. This is their page. You can see that there are different denominations listed for them, and this is their e-commerce store. If you're familiar with Run Free, the way that you do that is you go into your point of sale system, create a gift card class or category, depending on your point of sale, and then create a new item for each gift card amount that you want to offer in physical form. Remember, this is happening in your point of sale system, not Run Free. What you're looking at here is the rendition of that in Run Free. And I'm not showing the point of sale because we integrate with multiple point of sale systems and it's different in each. But everything that happens in the point of sale streams to Run Free. Make sure you add 500 or 1,000 quantity, because your point of sale system will not send product info to the Run Free platform if it has 0 inventory. Since, like I said, everything you do in your POS flows to Run Free automatically, when you finish creating the gift card SKUs in your point of sale, you'll have something on the Run Free side that looks like this, that you can see here. Now you can go and add pictures and descriptions for each denomination from within Run Free by snapping a photo with your phone, and you could drag it or drop it into the images section of the product details page on here, and super duper simple to do. And of course, as you know, when you have at least one picture, a product description, and the price, which is going to come over from the point of sale system automatically, you have a complete item. All the icons are green, which means that you're clear to market to show in your storefront. The little green dot over here next to this SKU means that it's set to show on the storefront. So this list of SKUs renders itself thusly in the front side of the store. Now, after you set things up on the back end of Run Free, you'll have a category page that looks exactly like this. Well, not exactly, but you get what I mean. Each of these tiles represents a physical gift card that you're offering to your customers. And if you want to, you could go in and create a custom page and add these gift cards to a collection if you want to church it up a bit, but the system will auto-generate this page to look just like this. So you don't have to do that customization, but that is available on the Run Free platform as part of the standard service. So from here, you're going to grab the URL of this page, your version of this page, and set it aside. Copy it, stick it on a notepad, whatever you want to do, however you want to hold on to it. And then you're going to go back over to the Run Free side of the house, going to go back over to your admin area, back into the digital gift cards zone, and you're going to do a little trick here. So you want to put in some kind of call to action. Remember, we're going to do this gift card description, right? So in this call to action, we want to say, looking for So this is stupid, and you may not be able to read it on YouTube, but it says, looking for a physical gift card, have no fear, Intergalactic Running Company's here. Now, here's the trick. So you're going to go over here in the gift card subscription area, and you're going to click this button here that says Source. So as soon as you press Source, it's going to take you into Hacking the Matrix mode. If you look down here, you can see some weird letters and symbols have popped up, and the font has changed. This is the HTML code that makes that sentence that I just wrote look the way it does on the website. And we can add any HTML that we want to into Matrix hacking mode to make it show something cool on the front side. In this case, we're going to put a button in here, and we're going to link that button to our physical gift card page offering, like the one we just saw on Red Coyote. Now there's a link to this code snippet in the description, so you can just copy it from there. No need to write any of this down or anything. Once you copy it, there's going to be a little section that says your URL goes here, and that's where you're going to paste the URL that you copied from a couple of steps ago. Then you're going to come over here on the line, on the next line down here, and paste. So this is the HTML code for the button, and it says the button will say get a physical card, and of course the link in there is, in this case, the link to the Red Coyote physical gift cards, because just for the sake of this presentation. But for you, it would be whatever the link to your physical gift cards page is. And then I can click source and go back, and it's going to look basically like a link here, but don't worry, it'll look like a button on the front end. So I click save, and then when I go to the digital gift card builder, you'll now see that I have this get a physical gift card option. And my customer can go here and click get a physical gift card and select whichever denomination she wants and purchase it like any other item in the e-commerce store. As the retailer, when you receive the order, just go create a physical gift card using your point of sale system the normal way that you would if somebody came into to your actual physical store at the register and asked for one, and then drop it in the mail and send it off. The beauty is that physical card that you create in your store will work across all channels, just like your digital cards, giving you the best of all worlds. So there is so much flexibility on the platform here. That HTML injection works in all of the text areas of the platform. So you can do interesting and fun tricks like this all over the place. But that physical gift card button is a really great idea. That way you can offer both digital and physical. Very easy to do and very straightforward. That omni-channel gift card experience is extremely important to your customers, and having that great digital presence, considering 97% of consumers go looking for a company to do business with, it's worth investing in. So hopefully this was helpful for you today. Thank you so much for joining me. As always, catch me next week when we do another episode. If you've got suggestions, leave them in the comments. Our goal here is to cover stuff you can do at no cost to make your digital experience better and elevate the industry in the process. Thanks so much for joining me today, guys. Have a wonderful rest of your afternoon.